Hey there, welcome back to the channel. I'm glad you're here. Today we're going to explore the word faux in depth. First, the definition. Faux means made to look like something else, usually fake or imitation. Think of it simply as wearing a costume that looks real but isn't. Now let's talk about where this word comes from. Origin stories can be fascinating. Faux traces back to French, meaning false or fake, first recorded in English in the 18th century. Over time, it's been used by fashion and design industries. The word has carried through history and still shows up today in surprising ways. So how do you use faux in everyday language? Let's go through some examples. Correct example 1. She wore a faux fur coat that looked just like real fur. Correct example 2. The artist painted faux wood grain on the plain furniture. And just for fun, here's a playful wrong example. I tried to faux jump off the roof, but it didn't go well. See how context makes a big difference? Using faux correctly helps your meaning come across clearly, while using it wrong can sound confusing or just funny. Quick recap. Faux means made to look like something else, usually fake or imitation. It comes from French, meaning false or fake, and you can use it in sentences like the ones we shared. Now I'd love to hear from you. Try writing your own sentence with faux down in the comments. Get creative. And if you found this helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button and join us for more word deep dives every day.